Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short tutorial I'll be showing you how to back up your WordPress website using Cpanel. So this video is gonna show you 3 methods how you can back up your WordPress website from Cpanel. So without wasting further time, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've opened my Cpanel. So the first method is to back up using File Manager. So open your Cpanel and navigate to File Manager. Here it is, and in the File Manager, just look for a file called public_html. This is where all your website files are stored. Just select the file and right click and select compress, and make sure to select the compression type as zip file and click on compress files. Now this is going to take some time if your website is really big. We can see our compression is completed, and just look for this file here. So here's the file. You can directly right click and click on download. This will download the file, and now you have all your website files as a zip file on your local computer. The second method is to just navigate over to files and select backup wizard. This is where you can back up your website in full, or if you want to partially back up your website, you can use this feature. So click on backup and select if you want to go for a full backup or a partial backup. I always go for a full backup because that's better. And select the backup destination. You can select the place where you want to keep this backup. Usually this is stored in your server for 7 days. If you don't download it for 7 days, it will be deleted. So for now, I don't want this as an email. I'll click on generate backup. This is going to take some time depending on the website size, and once it is completed, you will be notified if you opt for email notification while backing up this using backup wizard. So I'll just go back and see. As you can see, we have a backup now. You can download this as .gz format. You can keep this as a backup and you can come back anytime and restore this. Let me check. Yeah, you can come back anytime to your Cpanel, go over to your backup wizard, and from here you can just click on restore and select this file and restore it. So that's second method. And the third method is using phpMyAdmin. So downloading the database is very important. Just head over to phpMyAdmin, and from here please make sure that you select your database carefully and click on export. Now what will happen is it will ask you to select the export method. I always go for this one, quick, which will download all the options. If you want, you can click on custom, and this will display all the possible options for you to select what do you want to download exactly, and what do you want to exclude. So I'll go for quick and click on export, and this will download the database in SQL format. So now we have 3 backups. One is from the HTML directory into zip file, and the second one is from the backup wizard, and the third one is from SQL. So that's how easy it is, guys. I'm sure you like this video. If you want more Cpanel tutorials, don't forget to check out my channel. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. For more useful videos like this, don't forget to check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.